First of all, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? How was the day?
Perfectly fine, sir.
Perfectly.
बढ़िया sir.
Very good. Let's start with Shanu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Shanu, tell me about yourself, excluding your name.
Excluding my name, okay. First of all, a very good afternoon to everyone. Uh, uh, I am from a district called Barabanki near Lucknow.
Okay, that's good.
I have completed my bachelor's from Lucknow University and my master's from Awadh University.
What you have done in your graduation?
Sir, Bachelor of Sciences
Bachelor of
in
Science.
Geology.
Geology.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's
Yes,
good.
sir.
Can you explain the functions of blood in our body?
So blood is a connective tissue, a connective fluid responsible for transfer of multiple substances in the body, such as oxygen,
Okay.
micronutrients, as well as hormones.
Okay.
It performs a very vital function in our body and helps us to sustain and live.
That's good. Then other than that, any other function?
It is a collective fluid that contains other functions such as white blood cells that provides us immunity, as well as platelets. So it
Okay.
it has a multiple functions to perform.
Okay. Very good. Can you distinguish it between plasma and blood?
Plasma can be defined as a subgroup within blood, as the blood carries it. It is responsible for carrying the antibodies within itself.
So, what are your hobbies, Shanu?
Reading books
Okay.
and mm, uh, I used to play target archery. So that's as a hobby I used to play that. And listening songs.
Have you read any kind of book which you have recent? Just name the book which you have recent read.
Sir, I read I read books both in Hindi and English. The recent one that I read was 12th Fail.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Who wrote this book?
Saurabh Dwivedi, I guess.
You are not confirmed. You are not confirmed
Yes,
of
sir.
your right. So, okay, no problem. Just let me know your 5 weaknesses and 5 strengths. What are your strengths and weaknesses? You just name 1 to 5.
So should I go with the strengths first or weaknesses first?
Anyone.
So strength, I would like to say that I don't shy away from hard work.
Okay, that's good.
I try to be positive in tight or intense situations, and I try to be a good listener.
Okay.
Uh, uh, and focus uh, uh, focus on discipline, and I really like to be a part of the team and contribute to it as much as I can from my side.
Okay, that's good.
And weaknesses,
What
I
are
would
your
say
weaknesses?
initially uh, I had a tough time to uh, organize the uh, organize your thoughts
Okay.
in a way, and sometimes things if the things don't go in the way they should, so sometimes I
Okay, let
feel
it be.
a little
Let it
towards
be.
pessimist
Now,
side.
now tell me about something. Do you know about Earth crust or Earth layers of Earth? What are the layers of Earth?
So layers of there are primarily three layers of the earth.
Okay.
The uppermost layer is the thinnest of all, and it is called the crust, and it is again divided into outer crust and inner crust. They are separated by a discontinuity that is known as Conrad discontinuity, and our most more than 90% of our function as a human beings is limited to that crust. And uh, the oceanic crust is thinner than the continental crust,
Okay.
and
I just categorize the type.
Okay. Beneath the crust there is a wider layer called the mantle. The
Okay.
crust and the mantle are separated by a discontinuity called as uh, Gutenberg discontinuity. And then beneath the mantle there is the innermost layer, that is the core,
Have you
and
heard about
that is,
asthenosphere?
yes sir.
What is it?
So asthenosphere is the part that comprises of the crust and up to 75 kilometers of your mantle. That is the movable
Okay.
part on which the lower convection currents flow,
That's
so
fine.
that the
What do you know about National Human Rights Commission?
National Human Rights Commission is a statutory body established in 1993, based on the Paris Agreement that was signed in 1991. They keep a track record of the human rights violations that happen within the country, and they are cognizant with the fundamental rights of our constitution. Uh, the the chairman of the commission should be a retired uh, Chief Justice of India or a Supreme Court judge. Along with there are some other members such as a High Court judge and a female female member on the panel, and some eminent
How
jurists
many
who
members
are
are
the,
there in National Human Rights Commission? How many members are there?
so beside the chairperson there should be uh, three members,
Are you
so that
sure?
the total should be four. So there should be a Chief Justice of India as the chairperson. Then
Okay.
there is a High Court. Uh,
And a
so
member
I think I'm sure.
who has been a high court, who has been in the High Court, or
Yeah, he should. Yeah, he should be after that.
he has been in Supreme Court of India, right? Or then,
Yes, sir.
other than that, there are three members, including one woman, right? Total five members.
Yes.
What are your family background?
So family background, as in from my ancestors, or how should I describe it?
I'm talking about your family background, not your ancestors.
Oh, okay, okay. Sorry, sir. So my mother, she is a professor of psychology, and my father is a lawyer in district court.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you want to join IB? What is your intention to join?
Sir, to maintain law and order in a country, I think both active and state and non-state actors are required, so that you can have a coherence in the system. And IB is one of the platforms.
how you can contribute to IB? I'm talking about what will be your role in IB if we hire in this position, or what you can contribute to our organization.
Sir, I would like to perform my duty with utmost sincerity, so that I can prevent any negative consequences to happen on our frontiers. I think that would be the
How
biggest
you can
contribution.
prevent them?
So
If something
by
is going to
analyzing,
happen, it is not in your control. How you can prevent?
so by analyzing the information and processing and transferring it to the concerned department or the figure, so that action could be taken as soon as possible.
That's nice. Very good. Do you heard about the fiscal policy?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
So fiscal policy are a set of measures that are taken by the government, so that the financial circle of the economy of a country can uh, continue without hurdles, or so to say less hurdles.
What are the main ingredients, or what are the parts of fiscal policy?
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not able to remember it right.
Okay, no problem. So, do you ever heard about monetary policy? It's just like that, but
Yes, sir.
a bit different. So,
So
what
monetary
is it?
policy are a set of measures that are taken by the RBI, the Reserve Bank of India. That
Okay.
is the basic difference that I know between fiscal policy and monetary policy.
Very nice.